In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly navigate and adjust margins in your Microsoft Word document using the ruler tool. This is a handy skill that can help you format documents more precisely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, you need to open up your Microsoft Word file. This could be any document you're working on or even a new blank one. Once you're inside your document, the next thing you'll want to do is select all the text. You can do this quickly and easily by pressing Ctrl and A on your keyboard simultaneously. This shortcut is a great time saver, especially if you're dealing with long documents, because it selects everything within your document in one swift motion. Once you've got everything selected, you'll want to focus on the ruler at the top of your document. The ruler is your go-to tool for adjusting page margins. You might notice that the ruler is adorned with small, hourglass-shaped markers at both ends. These markers are pivotal in controlling how your text aligns on the page. If, by any chance, you don't see the ruler displayed at the top, don't worry. Simply head over to the View tab, which you'll find at the top of the Word interface. Clicking on this tab will reveal several options, and you should place a check mark in the box labeled Ruler under the Show section. Now, with the ruler visible, you can click and drag these hourglass markers to tweak the margins. By moving them, you effectively adjust how much space exists between the text and the edge of your page. This gives you more control over the layout and can help create a cleaner, more professional look. You can pull the markers inward to create a narrower margin or push them outward to expand the space. Taking the time to adjust margins doesn't just have aesthetic benefits. It can also enhance readability and ensure your document adheres to any specific formatting guidelines you might need to follow. A well-formatted document is often much easier on the eyes and can convey your message more effectively. And there you have it. That's all it takes. You've successfully adjusted the margins for your entire document. With your words perfectly aligned, your document is now ready to impress. This quick adjustment can have a significant impact on the overall presentation and effectiveness of your work. Remember, these steps can be repeated anytime you start a new project in Microsoft Word. Feel free to experiment with different margin settings to see what best suits your needs. With practice, you'll find that using the ruler becomes second nature, helping you to produce wonderfully formatted documents with ease. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the ins and outs of Word's margin adjustments using the ruler. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you found this tutorial helpful so you never miss any of our informative guides. Happy formatting!